and welcome to Fitness with Meg. Today we have an arm floor step workout. So if you are ready, go ahead and grab a step. I went ahead and placed a little towel on top of mine to give it some extra cushioning. If you guys don't have a step though, don't feel bad because you can still do these moves without it on the ground. And if you are ready, let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so our first move today, we're going to be doing push-ups with our hands on the step here. And all of our moves today are going to be done for 30 seconds each. So let's go ahead and bring our hands up on top of the step. And let's get started with our push-ups for 30 seconds. So how do you like all of my super cute decorations? We got a Christmas tree over here, and we have a snowman that says "Let it snow," and then we also have a Santa. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, our next move, we're going to be doing push-ups, but our hands are going to be on the ground here, and our feet are going to be up on the step this time. And let's go ahead and get started for 30 seconds. And how do you like my outfit as well? I have this really cute Christmas sweater, if you guys didn't see that. And my leggings have penguins on them, and my socks have Santa on them. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so for our next move, I'm going to turn my step just to the side here. Our next move is going to be step walkovers. So we're going to start off with our hands not on the step but by the side of it, and then we're just going to walk onto the step and then walk over the side of it. So this move is going to work our shoulders here, getting them toned and strengthened up. So we're just walking over and over. And 1. Okay, our next move is going to be the step walkovers, but we are going to add a push-up when we come onto the sides here. So let's go ahead and get started. So we are once again starting with our hands on the side here. We're going to walk up over the step, and then we're going to do a push-up on the side. So we just have 30 seconds of this here. Once again, walking up over the step, and then doing our push-up. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, I'm going to turn the step back around for our next move, which is going to be up, up, down, downs with our hands and also our forearms up on the mat, on the step. So we're just going to get started here. So we have 1 minute of this. So we're going up, up, down, down. This is kind of like a little bit of an incline because our hands and our forearms are up on the step the entire time. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, we are going to come up and we are going to put our hands on the floor this time, and our feet are going to be up on the step for our up, up, down, downs. And on this one, make sure that you start with the other arm that you did not. So let's go ahead and come up into our plank here, and let's do our up, up, down, downs for 30 seconds. So we are on a decline here, so it is making things a little bit tougher for our shoulders here. our last two moves are going to be shoulder taps. Our first one, we are doing it with our hands on the step here. So let's go ahead and come up into our plank. Okay, so we're starting off with our 30 seconds. We are just tapping our shoulder. So our opposite hands will come to the opposite shoulder here, and we're just tapping our shoulder here. Make sure that you are squeezing your core, engaging those abs. Y'all got this. We just have a little bit to go, and then we will be done with this workout. I'm super proud of y'all. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, our last move, y'all. You got this. We are going to come up back into plank here with our feet on the step and our hands on the floor for our shoulder taps. Last 30 seconds, y'all. Come on, let's go. And tap, tap, tap. Tapping those shoulders. We are almost done. Y'all got this. Keep going. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, we are going to give a quick stretch to our wrists. Just coming down here, having those fingers pointed towards you, and I'm just rocking back a little bit, giving those wrists a good stretch here because we really worked down here, and bringing our fingers pointing out to the side and just going in a mini circle here and reversing that circle here. This feels so great after being on our wrists the entire time during this workout. Okay, and a quick stretch for those arms here because we deserve it. We did such a great job. I'm super proud of all of y'all for sticking through this workout. And let's switch our arms here. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up down below. Subscribe if you are not a subscriber, and leave me a comment below letting me know what you thought of this workout. And I look forward to seeing all of y'all next week. Have a great day. Bye.